What's up, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a homemade Crunchwrap Supreme, so let's get into it. So we're going to start by dicing up a shallot, and then we're going to cut up our lettuce into smaller pieces, and then we're going to take our ground beef and our shallots and cook them up on medium heat until they are browned. So we're just going to break it all up, and then once it is brown, we're going to take it and we're just going to drain all of that grease and then put it back on the stovetop. And you want to cook this at medium-high heat. And then after we've drained the grease, we're going to put in our taco seasoning. We're going to add our minced garlic, and then we're going to add our water. And then just mix all of that up and combine it. And then we're just going to let it sit and simmer for about 5 minutes. And after it has sat and simmered, it's going to look like this. And so we're just going to take our tortilla. I did large tortillas so I wouldn't have to add any other ones in. So we're going to put in our meat, and then we're going to add our nacho cheese. I just grabbed canned nacho cheese from the store because I thought that'd be a lot easier, and it was. And then we're going to add our tostada and then our lettuce. And just like, it looks like it's small here, but you're going to just do it in the middle and it's all going to spread out. But I promise you, it looks small, but it's not. And then we're going to add diced tomatoes. I just did canned diced tomatoes with green chilies because, again, just easier. I mean, we love fast food, so let's make it faster at home. And then I didn't do sour cream just because this already has a lot of cheese in it. So I just did mashed avocado that I seasoned with salt and pepper. And it was honestly really, really good. I would definitely suggest it if you can handle like cheese, but not really milk. And then I added some shredded cheese on top. I just did Mexican blend. And then after you add that, I got the mild sauce from Taco Bell. They have it at the stores, and I love their mild sauce. And this literally tasted exactly the same because it's from the same brand. So, of course, it does. So after we put our mild sauce, we're just going to fold it. So you're just going to fold one piece over, and then you're just going to keep folding. And then I pressed it down so that, like, the ingredients would kind of spread. And after we've done that, we're going to take our same pan and we're going to put some oil in there, and then we're going to toast both sides until they look nice and crispy and brown like this. So it only takes about 3 minutes each side, but I checked it first just to make sure. And then we're going to take them off of the oven, and that's it. And then I cut it in half just to show you guys what the inside looks like. And it was literally so delicious. If you guys like this video, like, rate, subscribe, but bon appetit, y'all.